Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best Kuhn Rikon jar and bottle opener 5-in-1. A versatile kitchen tool designed to make opening jars, bottles, and ring pull cans effortless and strain-free. This innovative opener from Kuhn Rikon combines 5 essential functions into one compact gadget, making it a perfect companion for anyone who struggles with tight lids or has smaller hands. Whether you're dealing with stubborn jar lids, bottle caps, or ring pull cans, this multi-purpose opener is engineered to give you extra leverage and control with minimal effort. Measuring approximately 5 by 10 by 2.25 inches, this tool is crafted primarily from durable plastic, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle daily kitchen use. It weighs just 3.2 ounces, which means it won't add unnecessary bulk to your utensil drawer or kitchen setup. One of the standout features is the adjustable locking mechanism. This system allows you to securely grip any lid or cap between 1 and 3.5 inches in diameter. This flexibility means it can handle a wide variety of jar sizes, from small sauce bottles to large canning jars, with ease. The mechanism locks onto the lid firmly, so once you've tightened it with a simple clockwise turn, it won't slip as you twist to open. The design is intuitive. To remove a lid, you simply twist the opener counterclockwise, which uses the built-in leverage to loosen even the most stubborn caps without the strain or frustration usually involved. The grip provides strong torque, reducing the effort needed and making it particularly helpful for those with limited hand strength. In addition to the adjustable jar opener, this tool includes a fluted eye integrated into the handle. This smaller opening is perfect for gripping and opening small bottle caps, such as those on sauce bottles or condiment jars. Just place it over the cap and twist to release. For those who love beer or soda, the Kuhn Rikon opener also features a classic church key designed to pry off crown caps found on beer bottles. This makes it a versatile tool beyond just jars and screw tops. And for cans with stubborn ring pull lids, the tool includes a specially designed beak to help lift those tabs cleanly without breaking your nails or damaging the lid. Cleaning this opener is simple. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth after use. It's not dishwasher safe, but the plastic construction makes maintenance easy and hassle-free. Its size also allows for convenient storage in kitchen drawers or utensil holders. The Kuhn Rikon brand is well known for Swiss precision and high-quality kitchen gadgets, and this opener exemplifies that reputation with its thoughtful design and reliable performance. It's a great helper in the kitchen, especially for anyone who struggles with grip strength or wants to save time and effort when opening containers. Overall, the best Kuhn Rikon jar and bottle opener 5-in-1 offers a combination of versatility, ease of use, and durable construction. Whether you need to open jars, bottles, or cans, this gadget is designed to make the process smoother and less stressful, enhancing your kitchen experience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.